Hiya guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to combine two different videos into one. Like this. We're going to be using an application called YouCut and you can download it on Android. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Play Store. We will type in YouCut. YouCut. And we will download this. YouCut Video Editor and Maker. Install. And we'll wait for this to install. Okay, so after YouCut has finished downloading, you should see this little insignia, this little sign here. Let's press it, open it, and agree. Okay, now I want to press this. Yes, allow access to my photos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select my main video. I press this, and here's my main video. And I'm going to use this now to scroll over. And in my main video, what I'm looking for is where I put my hand up there. That's what I'm looking for. Now, this little one here, this is the one I'm going to press. And now I'm going to bring this one up. And now this pops in. And it comes exactly here to my video where I'm putting up my finger. And what I can do now is I can move it. I can make it bigger. I can make it and I just want to bring it up here. And I can bring my video down to the start. Two different videos into one. And as you can see here, like this. We're going to be using an application called YouCut and you can download it on Android. Okay, I seem to be quite happy with that. What I'll do here now is I'll press save. And I can change the resolution, I can change the frame rate, I can change the quality. And I'll press save again. And as you can see now, it's converting my video. Only takes a few seconds. Okay, and a few seconds later, you can see here it says that it's saved. And if I come down now, I'll go into my gallery and I will look for the folder that says YouCut. It's here. I'll select this one because that's the one. And hiya guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to combine two different videos into one. Like this. Hey presto, it works. YouCut, and you can download it on Android. I hope you enjoyed my channel. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. Stay cool guys.